is the audition. This is the front. I'm going to face the front. You'll follow me from behind and then see my reflection. So this is don't mean a thing. It will begin with some improv. You'll get to do that on the day, so don't worry about that. But we're going to face here. The girls will end, actually no, this is for everyone. So you're in a nice wide second position. You're going to press, palms are down as if you're really pressing against something. And then you're going to turn your palms up as the right shoulder lifts, and then the left shoulder lifts, okay? So we press, and then we go right and left. And then you're going to sweep, girls, do this. Whew. Knees are going to glide to the left, up, and I want spreaded fingers like this. Boys, you're going to go down, boom, 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 and then you're going to go back, down. I don't want you looking like a girl, okay? Boom, boys, girls, okay? From now on, I'm going to be a girl. Boys, I'll do a video for you in a minute. I mean, all the other movement is the same, but at this moment, I'm going to be a girl. Then we're going this direction. It goes heel, toe, heel, second, in, and every time you're going to do the left leg forward, together. So go heel, toe, heel, out, together, left front. Girls then go boom. Boys are going to go boom, point to a lady. If the lady's there, you're booming that way. If they're there, you're booming that way. Okay? Be flexible. Now we're going to add our hands. Hands are like this. 1, 2, 3. We jump out to second with legs and hands. Glide in. Then left foot's going forward. Right arm forward. Left to the side. And then girls, woo. Boys, pa-choo. Okay? Then we come together. Now we do the same thing the other side. 1, sorry, go left. 1, 2, 3. Out. In. Left leg forward. Forward. You're going to come in, but keep a nice bend, and then you're going to turn to this front diagonal. It's almost like you're a figure skater. Okay, we go this way, and it goes 1, 2, 3, out, in, forward, together, figure skater to this front corner. Let's add the whole thing together. You just went ba, shoulder, shoulder, girls, and 1, 2, 3, out, in, forward, here, boo, and 1, 2, 3, out, in, da, da, choo. This way. Now your weight's going to go to your left leg, and you're going to step forward, slump. Do this 3 times. Slump, 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 stamp. Okay? Right leg slumps 3 times. Slump, 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 clap, stamp. Left arm is going to kind of move up the body. Kind of like this. So it goes slump, 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 clap, stamp. We come into this position. Then you're going to do 3 slumps on the left. Slump, slump, slump. Your right leg comes forward as we just turn the arms here. So we go from here to here until that happens. So scooch back. Let's go from the slumping. We do our turn, front right. Right leg is going to slump. Left arm's coming up. 1, 2, 3, clap, stamp. And then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, switch. From here, right leg is going to step back. As the right arm goes down and we flex the wrist. 1 and 2, turn over the left shoulder. 3 and 4. Then we're doing 2 circles, and it'll be 4 steps. We go over the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're right here. Let's add all that together from the beginning. We press down. So 1, boom, boom, ba, and 1, 2, 3, out, and here. Rum, dum, dum. 1, 2, 3, out, in, wrong leg, sorry, my bad. Then we turn this way, and slump, 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 clap, down, slump, 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 switch. We press them down as we step 2, 3, step 2, 3, and turn 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to move back to where we began, and you're going to do this. Okay? So you're just doing this with your legs. Boys, you can be more side to side. Girls, I want you going out. Okay? Your hands are going up through the middle, and then you're going to come down. Okay? Adding it all from the beginning. We press. Ba, do, shoo. And we go 1, 2, 3, out, in, ba, room, bada, bee. And then down, dee, da, turn. Slump, 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 tap, step, slump, 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 switch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah, we're going to do that. Did we get any further? I don't think we got any further. Oh yeah, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're coming up close to your body. Let's have it come out in front of you with shaky hands. From here, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going up the right diagonal back corner. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's just 3 steps, my bad. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the step. You go up the right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then you're gonna send your weight back to the left. 5 and 6, turn out. As you turn, your arms can gently come in, pressing here, okay? So let's add on from here. We go close to your body, shake it forward. 5, 7, 8. Going this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna point. You point with your left hand as you lean away. Point, point, here, here, bum, bum. Glide the leg in, up, okay? So that is, we turn around, we go point, point, here, here. No, my bad. Point, point, here, here, bum, bum. Glide it in, up. And I need a lift. I don't want to see this. This is so sad. I hate it. It needs to be here, okay? From the top. So we're going, ba, boom, boom, and a 1, 2, 3, look to the right, da, room, and a bum, 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 look to the left, and jump, 2, 3, clap down, jump, 2, 3, switch, a 1, and 2, 3, and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, what do you do here? Here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Boom, boom, ha, ha, boom, ba. Woo! Okay? From here, you're going to step back, right, left. And then you're going forward again. Your arms are going to do this. So we go right and left. From here, cross, flick in front, cross, flick up. Okay? So do that again. We just went here. And we're going to go right, left. Arms to the right, to the left. Step, flick forward. Step, flick up. Charleston. If it's going in front, kick your butt behind. Boom, boom. You're just doing one-on-one inside. Here, back, and around. 2, 3, 4. Here as you head, and down. 2, 3. As your arms. 1, and 2. Here we go. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5. I did that poorly. We'll add that all together. So we just up here. We're going to walk back right and left, and forward, forward, step, flick, and Charleston, Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step. You're going to the side with your arms. So we cross, out, and then here. Then your arms are going to come in, out, up. Then you're going to jump to second and turn your palms to face the floor. Okay? So you're up in this position to here. Zip together. This time the right leg is forward. Together. So adding on, you just walk back right, left. 1, 2. Step, flick, tap, flick, Charleston, Charleston. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, tap, tap, tap. From here, right foot goes forward, pivot, and then step, step, pivot. And then you're going to step out into a second. Almost there. So let's go from this part where we come up to the right. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 8, my bad. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Charleston, Charleston. Around 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Forward, back, pivot, boom. Okay? Press. Then you're going to come in and then explode, okay? So we press, we glide into this, and then you're like opening up your heart, like so. Let's see if we do the whole thing. From the beginning. How do we go? Over here. Okay, second position. So you're gonna press away, left shoulder's higher, boom, turn your palms. Right, left, and we go 1, 2, 3, forward, and the other way, back. Turn, slump, 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 switch, and down, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Point, point, here, hip, bump, bump, elevate, and 1, 2, 4, step, flick, flick, Charleston, Charleston, around, 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that is the whole dance. Let's do it with the music, okay?